welcome back to BMW Fanatic. Now, of course, I talk about BMWs, right? That's the whole sense of this channel. I do have some viewers that do not have BMWs. It's probably pretty slim. Outside of just the N54 engine-specific stuff, you know, there are a lot of my viewers that have other different BMW engine types. So in this video, let's go ahead and talk about what your spring plans are for your BMW or any other platform if you watch my videos down in the comment section below. You know, it'll be springtime before you know it, so we want to go ahead and, you know, make sure everything's checked off. I'm looking forward to spring in general just because it's just, you know, better weather and everything else like that, because it's been warm and then cold and then warm and then snow and then rain and everything. It's just a big mix here in Ohio. You know, has been pretty nice actually for the most part, and then today it's like 12 degrees outside. Let me know what you guys are doing. I'll be down in the comment section below as well, let you know what my plans are and what I'm trying to do. A lot of things going on, of course. I'm in a temporary location. I'm building a new house right now, so I'm looking forward to that. That should be done like mid-July, give or take, maybe a couple weeks. So I'll be soon moving into that, and then of course all the DIYs and videos and all that kind of stuff will come out of that. So I'm excited to show you about that process, and looking forward to all the designing for the garage. As far as the car goes, you know, I've been running some weird, quirky electrical issues. I'll post that video up at the top. Check that out. I'm still trying to work those kinks out and try a few different things, so we're going to look forward to that. Well, guys, like I said, let me know in the comment section below. Looking forward to what your plans are and what you're doing. And as always, thanks for stopping in. Time to head out of here. And as always, please be sure to subscribe, like, and then comment. Have a great day. Take care.